Welcome to DJ.
Yes, so my people, greet una, welcome una once again to DJ MTV. Una WhatsApp channel where you bring ogbonge tori and trendy tori as the host. My people, this one na one of the good things wey be say this our presido don do since he become presido of Naija. Una hear say, come June 2024, all content creators for Nigeria go begin dey earn money, as in all Nigerians content creator pages for both Facebook and Instagram will become monetized, as they don give Nigeria the free chance now to dey monetized. And also other countries, other outside countries, na only 2 countries for Africa na dey monetized. But right now Nigeria don join as e hot now. Presido don talk, we don meet with the CEO of Meta, and this thing go take effect for June 2024. Those of una wey never see the update, I go read am for una now, una hear everything how the whole thing.
Meta, the parent company of Instagram, is set to launch a new feature on its Instagram and Facebook app in June 2024, aimed at empowering Nigeria creators to monetize their content and earn a livelihood through the platform. This announcement was made by Meta President of Global Affairs, Nick Clegg, following a meeting with President Tinubu at the presidential villa earlier today. Earlier in his remark, Clegg expressed gratitude to President Tinubu for facilitating an executive order crucial to the landing of Meta-backed deep-sea cable infrastructure in Nigeria. Clegg then elaborated on Meta's commitment, saying, "We have a lot to do with Nigeria to deepen partnership," and affirmed, "We will in June 2024 introduce a feature on our Instagram app that will allow Nigeria creators to monetize their content to enable them to earn a living using the app."
My people, una don hear the update. This one na good one. We pray say this one go work o. No be say they go start and finish, they go come begin dey bring conditions. But before the conditions, una know say nothing is free like that, especially for this Naija. So those of una wey be say una never register, una never get tax, una no get taxpayer receipt, una no dey pay tax, we no dey do this and that, those things una suppose to do as a citizen of the country. Una go register una sef, una go register, una go get una tax, go dey begin pay tax, go register to dey do all those things, because this thing no just come free say you just begin dey earn money like that. This one wey be say government don put hand like this, so they go see one wey be say the people wey dey earn this money, they go still dey pay them small small, they still dey get their own cut for inside. Anyway, my people, na the update wey we carry come from na like this be this. So all content creator, una don win for this one. Make una drop una comment o, and make una no forget to like and share, and also make una follow us for all our social media handle DJ MTV. Una do well. See you in our next video.
DJ MTV. DJ MTV.